Hello, my name is Adrian Flores, and here we're going to have to find how to maximize the profits of a manufacturing company. Here we can see two graphs, one for C and one for R. C is the total cost of production of the company, and it is equal to 3q cubed minus 4q squared plus 2q plus 5, q being the units produced. And the revenue, R, is equal to 8q, which means they sell each unit at $8. You can see here both graphs as they intersect and then separate as the numbers grow. Calculate the total cost of production, which is again C, when the units produced is 1,000, like when Q is 1,000. And to do this is really simple. You just have to do a simple substitution, which equals to 3 times 1,000 cubed minus 4 times 1,000 squared plus 2 times 1,000 plus 5, which is equal to 3 billion minus 4 million plus 2,000 plus 5, which gives us 2,996,000,000 through 2005.
Now in letter C, they ask us to find the total cost of production when 2,000 units are produced. And now we're gonna do it as the previous one. So we're gonna use the total cost formula, which is 3q to the third power minus 4q to the second power plus 2q plus 5. And now when you have that when you copy the formula, you just replace that 2,000 units inside the formula. So it should be 3 times 2,000 to the third power minus 4 2,000 to the second power plus 2 times 2,000 plus 5. And now when you simplify all this, it should be 24 billion minus 16 million minus 4,000 plus 5. And now when we add all that, it should give us C equals 23 billion, 984 million 004 005. Now that should be your answer.
In order to find the maximum profit, we must first find the profit function. To do this, we just subtract the revenue function to the cost function. So these are profit function. Then we have to find the derivative and solve for our value. In this case, it's Q. We do this by using quadratic formula. We get negative 0.4 and 1.37. We're going to be using this value. And remember, this is in thousands. So this is actually 1,370 units produced. This is the amount of units we need for us to obtain the maximum profit. So now we just go to the profit function. We insert the value. And yeah, that's basically it. Then we get this big number.
Now in letter E, they ask us that we need the profit function. Now in order to get the profit function, we have to subtract the total revenue and the total costs. Now this is quite simple actually. We just use the formula of earlier of total cost, which is C equals 3q3 minus 4q2 plus 2q minus 5, and we're going to subtract it with the total revenue, which is 8Q. Now this is gonna have to be simplified. So with this in mind, we're gonna get 3Q3 minus 4Q2 minus 2Q, plus 2Q minus HQ. Ooh, wait, sorry, this is a 5 plus, I'm sorry, plus 5. Now from this, we see that we have two like terms over here. Now this can be simplified. So we're going to get 3Q3 minus 4Q2 minus 6Q plus 5. And that is the equation for total profit, which is 3Q3 4Q squared minus 6X plus 5. Now, if we're gonna graph it, it will look something like this. See, so the line should go up, then down, then up. Yeah guys, so yeah, that should be our graph.